The path does not begin where you think it does. It begins here, in the middle of the break, in the fragments left behind, in the silence after the noise. Every journey, every film is born from a crack in the surface, a call to move, to see, to become. I stand here at the threshold between what was and what might be, to follow the traces, to turn them into practice, to find again the compass within the ruins. Every path leaves traces, some vanish, others converge. What we call a journey is nothing but the act of reading these traces, learning to follow them without knowing where they lead. This vlog is an attempt to turn those traces into practice, a way of living where travel and creativity merge into one continuous act of becoming. Travel is not a movement through space, it is a transformation of perception. Its encounter, its fragment, is a message from the world, waiting to be translated into form. Creativity is that translation. It is the dialogue between what is seen and what is felt, between the world outside and the world within. Travel and creativity are not separate forces. They mirror one another. They flow through one another, weaving exploration into expression and observation into revelation. To depart is to cross a threshold. Every departure contains both promise and loss. We leave not only a place behind, but a version of ourselves. Travel is not escape, it is initiation, a passage where the outer world mirrors the inner transformation that has already begun. Photography is not about seeing, it is about listening. Listening to the dialogue between the visible and the invisible. Its image is a threshold where light touches memory, where texture becomes emotion. The camera does not record, it translates. It translates the pulse of perception into a language of shadow and resonance. What emerges is never just an image, but a moment of recognition when the world looks back and we understand perception is a form of becoming. The belief is broken. The year began in light, with plans, visions, certainties, but everything dissolved into fragments. What collapses outside cracks open inside. In the break, necessity appears. To rethink, to rebuild, to begin again. Every creative act starts here. Not in perfection, but in fracture. Renewal grows from what has fallen apart. Observe without hurry. Collect the fragments. Let them speak back to you. From these scattered pieces, patterns begin to form, not answers but directions. Travel becomes insight. Creativity becomes a compass, a way of navigating the unknown. Every journey moves outward and inward. Its film is rehearsal for life. The method of traveling and creating is not about reaching a destination, but learning to move with awareness. Every step forward reshapes the landscape within. The horizon is not the end, it is the invitation to begin again.